Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofar ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your studies are going well. So, as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 2. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 9, which is related to lesson 12, the future tense. So, before starting the lesson, we will do the translations that are related to future tense only. So before starting the work, like always, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 31st May 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention translations in your copies. So as I have told you that today I will explain you the translations related to future tense. So I will explain you the translations related to each type of future tense. So there are three types, actually there are four types of future tense, that is future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. But today we will do only three types of tense, that is future indefinite, future continuous and future perfect. So first of all, let's see future indefinite tense, which is also called simple future tense. So if a sentence is written in Hindi of future indefinite tense, how would you recognize it? So the पहचान is वाक्य के अंत में गा, गी, गे आदि शब्द आते हैं. So like the sentences will be राम खाना खाएगा, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, वह गाना गाएगी. So in all these sentences, have you heard that the words ga, gi, ge are coming in the last? Now let's see the formulas related to future indefinite tense. So I have already explained you that there are four types of sentences, and we will do the formulas related to each type of sentence. First of all, let's see the formula of affirmative sentence. So before that, I would like to inform you that the main verb of simple future tense is verb first form, and the helping verb is will and shall according to the subject. Now let's see the formula. When you have to form an affirmative sentence of simple future tense, first of all subject, then will and shall according to the subject, verb first form plus object plus full stop. Next formula is of negative sentence. So you have to use subject, then will and shall according to the subject, then not, verb first form plus object plus full stop. Next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. So first of all you have to use the helping verb, that is will and shall according to the subject. So for that, first of all you have to see the subject and then you have to use the helping verb according to it. Helping verb, subject, then verb first form plus object plus question mark. Next type of sentence is interrogative plus negative, which is a mixture of interrogative and negative sentences. So if question word is given in the sentence like kya, kyun, kahan, so first of all you will put the English of that, and then helping verb, then subject, then not, then verb first form plus object plus question mark. Now let's see some examples to understand these formulas better. First sentence is बारिश के कारण कल सूरज नहीं निकलेगा. So what is the subject in this sentence? The subject is सूरज. So first of all we will write the English of कल, tomorrow the sun will not rise due to rain. कल जो है वो सूरज बारिश के कारण नहीं निकलेगा. Second sentence is तुम अपनी जिंदगी में क्या करोगे, which is an interrogative sentence because a question is being asked here, and kya is also given. So first of all we will write the English of kya, that is what, and then according to the subject we have to use our helping verb. So the subject is तुम अपनी जिंदगी में क्या करोगे. So with you we have to use will. What will you do in your life? नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज संजय खेल दिवस में अच्छा प्रदर्शन नहीं करेगा, दैट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड द सब्जेक्ट इज संजय. सो संजय के साथ वी विल यूज विल. संजय विल नॉट परफॉर्म वेल इन द स्पोर्ट्स डे. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज क्या हम अगले महीने अपने नए घर में नहीं चले जाएंगे, विच इज एन इंट्रोगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. So kya is given in the starting, so we don't have to use the English of kya, we have to start the sentence with the helping verb. So what is the subject? The subject is we, and we के साथ हम shall लगाते हैं, so our sentence will start with shall. Shall we not shift to our new house in the next month? Now let's see next type of future tense, that is future continuous tense. Continue means जारी रहना and future means भविष्य. So the actions which will be continue in the future will come under future continuous tense. So if a sentence is written in Hindi of future continuous tense, how would you recognize? The पहचान is वाक्य के अंत में रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे आदि शब्द आते हैं. लाइक सेंटेंस विल बी वह अपना काम कर रहा होगा, हम घर जा रहे होंगे, वह खाना खा रही होगी. So the actions will be continue in the future. Now let's see the formulas of each type of sentence related to future continuous tense. So first of all, let's see the formula of affirmative sentence. So first of all, subject, then will be, shall be, according to the subject, verb first form plus ing plus object plus full stop. And one thing I would like to tell you that the helping verb of future continuous tenses will be, shall be according to the subject, and main verb is verb first form plus ing, because ये continuous है and continuous में हमारे सारे ही tense में verb first form plus ing रहता है. Now let's see the formula of negative sentence, that is subject, will, shall, not be. Remember, not will come in between shall and be. Subject, then according to the subject, will, shall, then not, then be, then verb first form plus ing, then object, and then full stop. Next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. So first of all, you have to start with the helping verb will and shall according to the subject, then your subject, then be, then verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Next type of sentence is interrogative plus negative sentence. So if a question word is given in the sentence, so first of all you will write the English of that question word, then helping verb according to the subject, then your subject will be there, not, be, verb first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Remember one thing, if you are using the helping verb, that is will be, shall be, so in negative sentences not will come between shall and be, shall not be. And in interrogative sentence your subject will come between shall and be, shall Rohan be. Next, in interrogative and negative sentence, so your question word will be there, then your helping verb shall, subject not, be. Why will Rohan not be? Like this the sentence will be. Now let's see the examples to understand these formulas better. First sentence is, क्या मैं कल गिटार बजा रहा होऊंगा. So here मैं, that means I is subject and I के साथ हम shall लगाते हैं. Shall I be playing guitar tomorrow? Second sentence is, वह अगले पूरे महीने विमान परिचारिका का प्रशिक्षण ले रही होगी. Who is the subject? The subject is वह and it is a girl, that's why we will use she, and she के साथ हम will लगाते हैं. She will be taking the training of air hostess for the whole next month. Next sentence is, मेरी अपनी बेटी के साथ समय नहीं बिता रही होगी. So it is a negative sentence and the subject is Mary. So Mary के साथ हम will लगाएंगे. Mary will not be spending time with her daughter. समय बिताना means spend करना and verb form first form plus ing, that will be spending. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, लकड़हारा आग जलाने के लिए लकड़ियां इकट्ठा क्यों नहीं कर रहा होगा. दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. सो क्यों इज गिवन इन द मिडिल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट द इंग्लिश ऑफ क्यों, दैट इज वाई. देन हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब आएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज लकड़हारा, सो द वुड कटर. वाई विल द वुड कटर नॉट बी कलेक्टिंग wood to lit the fire. Okay. Now let's see next type of future tense, that is future perfect tense. Perfect means the verb has been completed, but if future is given, that means the verb will have been completed in the future. भविष्य में आपकी जो एक्शन है वो कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा. सो पहचान विल बी, वाक्य के अंत में चुका होगा, चुकी होगी, चुके होंगे, लिया होगा, दिया होगा, गया होगा आदि शब्द आते हैं. लाइक वह अपना काम कर चुका होगा, मैंने उसे खाना दिया होगा. These type of sentences will come under future perfect tense. Now let's see the formulas of future perfect tense. First of all, affirmative sentences. So before explaining the formulas, I would like to tell you that the main verb of future perfect tense is verb third form. Past participle ही हम हमेशा perfect tense में use करते हैं and helping verb will be will have. Future से हमने will and shall लिया है and परफेक्ट से हमने हैव लिया है. सो हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब बनी विल हैव, शैल हैव, एंड मेन वर्ब होगी वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. सो नाउ लेट्स सी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. सब्जेक्ट विल हैव, शैल हैव अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट, देन थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, देन फुल स्टॉप. Next type of sentence is negative sentence. So first of all you have to choose the subject and you have to write the English of subject, then will, shall according to the subject, then not, then आपका have आएगा verb third form plus object plus full stop. Next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. So it will be will, shall, then subject, then have, then verb third form plus object plus question mark. Next type of sentence is interrogative plus negative sentence. So that is if question word is given, so you will start with question word, then will and shall according to the subject, then subject, not, have, verb third form plus object plus question mark. So to understand these formulas better, let's see the examples of future perfect tense. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज सरकार ने बाढ़ पीड़ितों पर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया होगा, विच इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड द सब्जेक्ट इज सरकार, दैट मीन्स द गवर्नमेंट. सो वी हैव टू यूज विल हैव, एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है, सो विल के साथ हमारा नॉट आ जाएगा, विल नॉट हैव. द गवर्नमेंट विल नॉट हैव पेड अटेंशन ऑन फ्लड सफरर्स. सेकेंड सेंटेंस इज क्या वे आपसी मतभेद समाप्त कर चुके होंगे, सो दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, एंड क्या इज गिवन इन द स्टार्टिंग, सो हम उसकी इंग्लिश नहीं लगाएंगे, वी विल स्टार्ट विद द हेल्पिंग वर्ब ओनली. सो टू चूज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू सी द सब्जेक्ट. द सब्जेक्ट इज वे, दैट मीन्स दे. सो दे के साथ हम शैल लगाते हैं, हमारा आएगा शैल दे हैव. सब्जेक्ट हमारा शैल हैव के बीच में आ जाएगा. शैल दे हैव फिनिश्ड देयर पर्सनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सॉरी. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज हमने पौधों में पानी डाल दिया होगा, दैट इज एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, एंड सब्जेक्ट इज वी, हमने. सो वी के साथ हम शैल लगाते हैं, वी शैल हैव वाटर्ड द प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज तीर्थयात्री पवित्र गंगा में स्नान क्यों नहीं कर चुके होंगे. सो क्यों इज गिवन इन द मिडिल, सो हम पहले तो उसकी इंग्लिश लगाएंगे, दैट इज वाई, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट हमको हेल्पिंग वर्ब चूज करना है. द हेल्पिंग वर्ब will be chosen according to the subject. So subject is Tirthyatri, the pilgrims. Why will the pilgrims not have bathed in the holy Ganga? So these were the translations related to future tense. I have explained each type of tense and how you can translate a sentence from English to Hindi and Hindi to English. That I have explained you through the formulas. If you know the formulas, so you can translate a sentence from English to Hindi and Hindi to English also. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.